Hi, my name is Margarita. I'm doing business and management here at Aston and currently I'm on my placement year. So I've chosen to study business and management at Aston because it actually allows you to see business from different sides and different angles, and it also provides you with an idea how it all works in your real life. So on my first year I had the opportunity to try really different things in different fields, and I've realized what is the best interest to me. So now I'm specializing in marketing. So my favorite model so far was the digital marketing because it allows you to not only learn about the theories but also see how they work in real life, and it was actually really useful for my placement year right now as I'm working as a marketing assistant at Aston Students' Union. So I've chosen to go to Aspen because I had my own criteria to fulfill. So first of all, I wanted to go somewhere that is located in the heart of the Birmingham, as I'm living here now. And I've also heard a lot of things about Aston Business School in the first place, being one of the greatest schools in the UK. And finally it was employability rate, because over 80% of Aston grads get a job straight after graduation, which is a big thing for me as an international student. So my degree allows me to go wherever I really want because it's really studying a lot of broad things, and I'll be able to take any position at the management, but because my placement gave me so many experience in terms of digital marketing, I'm really looking forward to continue after I graduate university in a digital marketing industry, and maybe even become self-employed or create my own business in that industry.